Yay!
Philippine General Knowledge.
In what year did the Philippines gain independent from the United States? A. 1898, B. 1946, C. 1965. A.
In what year did the Philippines gain independence from the United States? A. 1898, B. 1946, C. 1965, B. What is the nickname given to the jeepney in the Philippines? Roaming taxis, king of the road. B. King of the road. A. Roaming taxis. B. King of the road. C. The people's chariot. King of the road. D. What is the iconic volcano that overlooks the city of Legazpi in the Philippines? A. Mount Pinatubo. B. Mayon Volcano. C. Mount Taal. D. Mayon Volcano. Kasi volcano eh.
What is the name of the historical Wallet City within Manila? A. Intramuros, B. Park Santiago, C. Corregidor, A.
Ang hirap nyo na.
Which beach destination in the Philippines is known as crystal clear waters and white sand beaches? A. Siargao, B. El Nido, C. Boracay. C. Boracay.
How is the national hero of the Philippines? A. Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal. B. Andres Bonifacio.
C. Miguel Aguinaldo.
A. Okay.
What is the name of the famous underground river located in Palawan, Philippines? A. Natuan River, B. Puerto Princesa. Puerto ba?
Puerto kasi.
C. Agusan River. C.
What is the name of the famous underground river located in Palawan, Philippines? A. Inatuan River. B. Puerto Princesa. C. Agusan River. B. In which region of the Philippines are the Ifugao rice terraces located? Region of the Philippines. Cordillera. A. Calabarzon. B. Bicol Region. C. Cordillera. C. Cordillera. What is the flower festival celebrated in Baguio City, Philippines? A. Pahiyas. B. Panagbenga. C. Ati-atihan. B.
Who is the first and female president of the Philippines? A. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, B. Corazon Aquino, C. Imelda Marcos, C.
Markers.
Who is the person or the president of the Philippines? A. A. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. B. Corazon Aquino. C. Imelda Marcos. D. Corazon Aquino.
B, tangi.
Its land in the Philippines is... Ano to?
Snow!
It's known for its chocolate hills. Chocolate hills!
Ball.
A nga!
A,
Cebu.
A.
B.
Ball.
C. Negros. Ano? Negros?
Ball.
Itama.
What is the traditional Filipino Christmas?
Patubong.
Pattern. Call it. A. Belen. B. Puto Bongbong. C. Parol. Parol.
Ayaw mo ba?
Naku sa akin, ang hirap. What is the name of the largest shopping mall in the Philippines? A. SM Mall of Asia. B. Greenbelt. C. Ayala Center. SM Mall of Asia. A. What is the national flower of the Philippines? Ay. A. Sampaguita. B. Orchid. C. Sunflower. Sampaguita. What is the capital city of the Philippines? A. Cebu. B. Davao. C. Manila. C. Kasi kung
What is the traditional Filipino martial art? A. Muay Thai. B. Arnis. C. Karate. B.
Goodbye! Thank you for watching. Follow my page. Coffee.
Thank